Hacktoberfest Ekiti 2022. Yeah, so I happen to be Abdul Malik, and I'm the current lead for OSCA Ado-Ekiti, and we are hosting Hacktoberfest Ekiti 2022 alongside awesome communities like GDSC Foyer, GDSC Exu, um, SCA Ado-Ekiti, Shikod Africa, that's Shikod Africa Ado-Ekiti, Women Technica Ado-Ekiti, and the Microsoft Student Club Exu, with our awesome partner too, which is the complete hub. Yeah, so let me put you through registering on Oktoberfest website to kickstart the Oktoberfest Ekiti 2022 program. Yeah, so but before you can register on Oktoberfest website, you need to have either a GitHub account or a GitLab account. So you can just choose whichever platform you are okay with. So you can go to sorry you can go to github.com and register an account, or you can either go to gitlab.com and register an account, and it is free. Yeah, so once you are done with creating your account with GitHub or GitLab, then you can come to Hacktoberfest.com website and then click on okay. Yeah, so you'll be asked to authorize either with your GitHub or GitLab, which are the accounts that you created initially. So you can since we are using GitHub, so I will select authorize with GitHub. So initiate. Sorry. Yeah, awesome. So because I am already logged into our GitHub account, as you can see, it's spinned up gave the authorization easily. So yeah, as you can see, OSCA Ado-Ekiti at gmail.com. Yeah, so now you will be asked this question of how are you planning to participate in the Oktoberfest program. So you can select contributors, which are the people who contribute to open source project either by through pull request. And if you are a maintainer, you can choose to select a maintainer, and then I think we have another option called event organizer, and I think you can even select the three altogether. But as for me, I am a maintainer and I'll be a contributor, and also I am an event organizer, so I'll be selecting the three. So for you can choose to select either the contributor, the maintainer, or even the event organizer. Yeah, so going to the next stage, I don't think these other metrics or these other questions that are being asked will affect your profile based on your contribution, but it's just data that I think they are just collecting this data to know about who are participating in Oktoberfest. So what is your experience level? You can, whether you're a newbie, somebody who is new to Oktoberfest and contributing to the open source world, and then if you are familiar with contributing to open source and Oktoberfest, and then experienced if you are experienced with contributing to open source and Oktoberfest. So I'll be selecting experienced, and now going to the next stage. How would you like to contribute? So you can choose to contribute via code or non-code. So if you know how to write code and you can fix bugs, send in write a new feature, and you can choose to select code. And if you're a non-coder, people from documentation, design, each other niche, creators, content creators, either via YouTube or whatever, creating content on the open source project you are trying to work with. So you can choose to select non-code. And if you are somebody who is very proficient and you can write code and at the same time you can contribute via documentation, you can choose to select the two. So I'll be selecting the two now. So my country, Nigeria. Okay, that's my country. No, I'm not. No, sorry, I don't know which. Yeah, sure. So yeah, I acknowledge that I would be disqualified indefinitely from Oktoberfest if I submit 2 or more pull requests that is identified as spamming. Yeah, so you should only send you should only send in quality pull request in the time frame for this project for the program Hacktoberfest. So you shouldn't be sending in spamming pull requests, creating pull requests that doesn't have impact. So the whole uh essence of this program is to get people in to contribute and make quality pull requests. So yeah, my registering for Oktoberfest, I understand. Oh yeah, sure, you can choose to read that, but I don't have the time at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, to proceed with register, and there we are. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So this is the profile, and then we've made zero progress, so 0 out of 4 request match. Oh, you don't have any, you haven't made any pull/match request yet. Submit your first contribution to participating project to get started with Oktoberfest. Oh yeah, so great. Yeah, it's time to start hacking and start contributing to open source. And also welcome to Hacktoberfest Ekiti 2020. I believe it will be fun. It will be a lot of it will be a lot of fun actually. Yeah, thank you.